Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified of any future videos. Alright you guys, so today I'm going to be sharing a full coverage makeup look today. Super excited about that. So as you can see, I have my hair pushed back, I have my brows already filled in, and we're gonna just jump right in. So starting off with the eyes, because you guys know after I do my brows, I do my eyes. So that's where we're gonna go. Going in with the BH Cosmetics BFF Alondra and Elsie palette, you guys. Absolutely love everything about this palette. I love the packaging, I love the shadows in here, I love how affordable it is. I mean, like I said, everything. And it has a large mirror, like it's so good. All right, so we're gonna go in and use the MAC 224, and I'm gonna go in with the shade BFF, which is this one here. I feel like I want to do something super like dark and smoky, but I'm gonna start off with something light first. You know, you want to go in with a light shade and then work, you know, into the darker shades. Alright, so now I'm going to switch brushes. I'm going to be going in with this brush right here. This one is from BH Cosmetics. This is a BH number 8 brush. And I'm going to be going in with Dine and Wine, which is this shade right here. This is going to go all over the lid, you guys. So I'm just going to apply that all over. Make sure to blend into the crease area with this brush. This brush is perfect for that. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. And also you can build it up to as deep as you want, you know what I mean? So if you don't want it too intense, you have that choice yourself to build it up on its own. I'm going to grab the MAC 224 brush, which is the first brush we used, and I'm going to go back in with BFF, which is that like rosy shade that I used in the transition area. And I'm just going to use that to soften it up and blend everything just like that. You see that? I'm gonna add a little bit of Blessed, which is this shade right here, and I'm gonna add that on the brow bone. And this is a BH Cosmetics number 9 brush. So grabbing some of that shade, I'm just going to apply it on the brow bone just like that, just to highlight it. You don't have to do that. You can keep it as an all matte eye look, but I think that's going to look really pretty, which it does. Absolutely love that. And I'm going to do that same thing here. Go back in with my MAC 224 just to soften everything out. Blend everything so it looks seamless. And that's that. So the eyes are done. Super easy, super simple, and I love it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some eyeliner and some lashes off camera, and then I'll be back to finish the rest of the makeup. Alright you guys, so I am back. I finished applying my lashes. I also went in with some liquid eyeliner. Real quick, I want to share with you which lashes I used. These are the Eyeliner London Luxe XL Faux Mink lashes in the style Indulge. These are one of my favorite style lashes, you guys. They're just so out there and beautiful. And for liquid eyeliner, you guys, if you have not tried this, and if you're looking to master your eyeliner, you guys, I'm telling you, this is it. This is the Maybelline Hyper Easy Brush Tip Liner. It looks like this. Hopefully you guys can see it. It is so easy and so amazing that I highly recommend you guys going out there and searching for this. If you find it, great. If you can't, I recommend you guys looking this up because it is so good and it's helped me really master my eyeliner. So definitely look this up. Alright, so now for primer. I'm going to go in with the Milani Skin Quench Hydrating Primer with hyaluronic acid and coconut water, which is this one here. This is so good. I love all of the Milani primers, you guys. They're so good and they really work nicely with any foundation. The other one I really like is the orange one, which is the one I was going to use, but I couldn't find it. It's so good. I mean, any of the primers from Milani are good, but guys, drugstore brands, I am telling you, they are killing it. Moving on to foundation, I am going to be going with this one. This one is amazing. Amazing coverage. The shade is perfect, and it's just honestly one of my go-to foundations for that full coverage makeup look. So this right here is the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. It's so freaking good. This one is in the shade M3.5 and Vanuatu. I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't know, but it's amazing. I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. sponge. Just going to pump 3 on there. I mean, you don't really need that much, but I just use 3. Alright, so now to build up that full coverage, you guys, I'm going to go in with these concealers right here. This is the Tarte Shape Tape. This one's in the shade medium, and then I'm going to go in with light medium. So that is what's going to give me that fuller coverage. This is it, you guys. This gives you that extra coverage. I'm just going to add that. I'm running out of this. I have to go pick up another one, which I thought I did when I, ordered from the Sephora sale. Because you guys, that video is coming up once that delivery comes in. Ooh, it is on. Get excited because I am super excited to try those products and also to share them with you. So yeah. All right, so I'm also going to be going in with this one right here. Like I said, this one's in the shade light medium, just to give me a little bit of a brighter under eye. So I'm just going to add a little bit, and just know that this is literally full coverage, so you don't need the same amount that I use right now. The only reason why I went in with so much, and it's really not that much because honestly there's not that much left in here, kind of dry, so it's not as much as it looks like I applied, you know. But now I'm blending it out with the sponge again. And look at that coverage, guys. Look at that coverage. It's so good. I actually want to try the, what is it? The creamy Tarte Shape Tape. The new one. I want to try that. I have to order that. There's a couple of things that I didn't order, but don't worry. I'm going to be placing another order very soon because there are some other things that I was like, I can hold off and try it out later, you know? Let me know what products you think I'll enjoy down below. All right, so do you see that? Like, look at that coverage. It is so good. And we're not done there because we're gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Tantor. This is amazing. I've been totally obsessed with it, you guys. It is one of my favorite products. I'm gonna be going in with my Moda brush. I'm going to, wow, that's pretty intense there. So let's spread it out this way. Just going to apply it there, just a tad bit on the nose. Boom, boom, boom. Love her. You guys, there's so much on my forehead right now. Like, honestly, a little bit goes a long way with this product. So I'm trying to blend it out. Okay, and I'm also gonna go in under the chin because I have so much product, so might as well spread it out. So now I'm gonna grab a brush and I'm gonna go in with this brush. This is the contour brush from Real Techniques, you guys already know, and I'm just gonna start blending her out. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? I love this. It's so good. So good, you guys. Amazing. I love it. Now, you guys, I'm going to be going in with my favorite setting powder, Anastasia. This is the loose setting powder in the shade Vanilla. It's so good. So good. I'm going to be grabbing the other side of the sponge and making sure it's not wet. So grabbing that and a little bit of the powder and applying that on the under eye, making sure that we set it just like that. I'm going to add a little bit on the chin, and I'm also going to apply a little bit on the sides like I always do, just like this. Sometimes I have to go over it, I don't know why, it just doesn't hold it. Okay, that's that. I'm going to apply a little bit on the bridge and a little bit in between the brows because I get oily there so much. So I like to let that, you know, sit and bake for a little bit, you know. And now I'm going to be going in with some bronzer. This is the Cover FX Monochromatic Bronzer Duo Matte and Shimmer in the shade Sun-Kissed Bronze. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to be grabbing my Kenzie angled brush and applying that right on top of the Tantor to set that. And then also on the outer perimeter, like around the forehead, all of those areas that I used the cream bronzer. Alright, so now I'm just going to grab a brush, a powder brush like this, and I'm just going to blend out the powder. Alright, so now for highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter, you guys. I'm totally obsessed. This is the Benefit Cookie highlighter, you guys. It is such a beautiful highlighter. It honestly goes with everything and anything. Like, it's so good. I'm just going to be grabbing this Milani All Over blending brush, and I'm just going to apply that right here. Look at that. Oh my gosh, you love that. You know you love that. You know you want to go get it. And when you do, let me know how much you love it, because I'm obsessed. It is so amazing and worth every penny. So that is that. We're looking good. We're looking good. Now we're going to go back into the eye. So go back into the palette. I'm going to be grabbing this BH Cosmetics number 10 brush, and I'm going to grab the shade Wine and Dine, which is the shade that's on the lid. And I'm just, hello, I have a mirror, a mirror right here. And I'm just going to apply it on the lower lash line. Look how beautiful that looks. It's so good and easy to blend. I love this. I'm going to be grabbing the Morphe and Jeffree Star JS10 brush and going in with a little BFF and applying that shade right on top of Wine and Dine. Alright, so that completes the eyes. Now we're moving on to the lips. I have this right here. This is the KK Beauty lip liner in the shade Nude 1. I'm just going to go in with that. And now to finish off the lips, I'm going to be going in with this right here. This is the NYX Shine Loud. I guess this shade is Global Citizen. It's a two-sided product. So I'm going to go in with the lip color. And that's what it looks like. So pretty. I love this. I want to pick up more of these. They're really, really nice. And now I'm going to go in with the gloss, and this is actually going to seal the lip color, and it's not going to transfer. I've actually tested this out, and it's really, really good. Do you see this, you guys? It is so pretty and so good. I love this. I have to pick up more shades, like I said. I just really, really love it. So yeah, now we're going to go in and set our face. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and that is that. Alright, you guys, so this is the final look right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!